Hello everybody and welcome to this short tutorial to show you how to use Google Hangout Meet. This is our online web conferencing tool where teachers are going to meet with students. So we're on our home-based learning page, and here is the link to the calendar. That's the go-to place for all meetings for dates and times. So I'm going to click in here. Now you'll know the default view is a day view. We've made it this way so that you can see there's lots going on and easy to read. And if you want to see the month view, it's helpful to see some key dates, or the week view, which gets a little bit busy. So back to agenda. Agenda is the day view. Now for this example today, I'm going to pretend that I'm in Kawaka, and you can see in here that Kawaka has a 9:30 live stream. There are two types of meetings online. The live stream, I want you to imagine you're in an assembly. You're sitting and you're listening to the person up the front. That's what a live stream is. So when I click on this and more details, it's going to open up calendar and a pop-up will appear. And here's the link to the live stream. Now, if you're in there before the 9:30, obviously it's not going live yet, so you need to wait. And at 9:30, the teachers will pop up and greet you, and they will show you the expectations for the week. So we will have live streams happening at the start of each week, giving clear expectations for the week. And this live stream is actually treated like a video. You're able to pause at any point, rewind it, and it will also save back in here. It'll be saved as a video file so you can replay it. Okay, so that's the live stream. Now, if you, as I'm pretending today I'm in Kawaka, I can see that down here, there's another Kawaka, and let's say that I'm in group F. Your teachers would have told you what groups you're in, and there is a Hangouts Meet at 12:30. Now this is not a live stream. It means this is where I can interact and talk with my teacher. So again, we're going to click on this, click on more details. It's going to load the page, and here's the Join Hangouts Meet. Now, when we click in here, if you're on a desktop or a laptop, it's going to open a browser, and it's asking you to log in. Hello. It's going to ask you to log in first. So if you're in Kawaka or Akatau, you have a school email address. Use that. It's the first three letters of your first name and the first three letters of your last name at myrossbush.school.nz. If you're in Mātai or Rawia, ask your parents if you can use their email address and it will work fine. Now, once you've logged in, up will come this page and you'll be able to see yourself. What's quite helpful and important for you to note is this turns your microphone on and off, and before you start and join, do turn it off. And this also turns your camera off. Now, if you have a situation where you have problems with slow internet, it's okay to have your camera off. They can still hear you with your voice when you need to speak by toggling this. If you're fine with internet speed, you can leave that on. And then we go over here and we click Join Now. So let me show you through this environment. So down the bottom again is your mic to turn it on and off, your video to turn it on and off, and the top right hand corner, you're going to be able to see everyone who's in that Hangout Meet with you. Your teacher will be sharing their screen, and so you'll be able to view all the faces. So make sure you click on that shared screen, look for that little pin there, click on that and it'll pin that page. So that's the page that will stay at the front. If you have a question, the best thing to do is just put your hand up and wait for your teacher to ask you. The other option is if you've got something you want to say or a comment, click on that comment, the chat down here, and it might be say, press enter, and it'll pop up here for your teachers and others to read. All right, I'm clicking back on my screen and that side panel disappears. There's other views that you can change down here. Click on this and you can change the layout. So that's all for us for now. I hope this has been helpful for you. We look forward to seeing you online, everybody, and we will catch you soon. Bye for now.